Best belly fat exercises. It is normal to have some fat on your belly because fat insulates and protects your body. But as you age, it becomes more typical for belly fat to accumulate along the waistline. Therefore, incorporating exercise into your daily routine is a great way to lose belly fat. But how do we go about it? What workouts would help us get to the weight we want to be? Buckle your seatbelts. We will introduce you to these effective exercises that are appropriate for all fitness levels to help you on your quest to lose belly fat. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us begin. Significance in reducing belly fat. First and foremost, losing belly fat will boost fitness and well being and is crucial for general health. It is possible to lose belly fat with perseverance, commitment, and a combination of a healthy diet and exercise. It will be easier for you to stay motivated and on track to reach your goals if you select a variety of exercises that combine cardio, strength, and core work. One of these variety of exercises could be mountain climbing. The core strength and agility that mountain climbers develop are excellent. You can control this exercise slowly to help reduce belly fat, or you can choose to speed up the movement to increase the intensity. Put your hands under your shoulders in a high plank position. To get started, remember to contract your stomach and bring your belly button closer to your spine. After bringing your right knee close to your chest, resume a plank position. Then repeat by bringing your left knee up to your chest. Next, we also have Russian twist. This core exercise strengthens the core and oblique muscles, usually done with a weighted object such as a medicine ball or plate, but can be done without one by tightly clasping your hands. Start by sitting upright on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Hold the medicine ball or another preferred object at chest height in your hands next. Slant your body backward while maintaining a 45-degree angle and keep your arms a few inches from your chest. Last but not least, rotate your torso to the right. Pause before coming back to the center, then to the left, and then repeat. Moving forward, we also have high knees. High knees are excellent for calorie burning, develop core stability, and enhancing cardiovascular endurance. To begin, stand with your feet hip width apart and begin marching immediately, raising one leg at a time, your knees as high as you can toward your chest. To increase the movement's intensity, repeat and quicken your pace. Plank, targeting the belly fat that adheres to the waistline. Abdominal exercises help to detone and flatten the stomach with your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Begin on all fours. Then, with your elbows at a right angle and directly underneath your shoulders. Lower your chest and place your forearms on the ground. Extend your legs backward, one foot at a time, making sure your feet are hip width apart. Your back must remain straight and your pelvis is in line with your body. Maintain this posture for 30 to 60 seconds. Step back burpees. Burpees exercise the core, shoulders, chest, and quads. The sudden movement helps to increase heart rate and calorie expenditure. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and lowering yourself to a squat. Second, step your feet back so that you are in a high plank position. To do this, lean forward and place your hands on the ground outside of your feet. Third, step your feet back towards your hands, outside edges, and leap up quickly with your arms overhead. Finally, instead of stepping back into the plank position, you can jump your feet into it to make this exercise harder as your fitness level rises. Resistance training. Resistance band exercises for belly fat burning involve bicep curls, lunges, squats, tricep kickbacks, and many more. Resistance training helps to build muscle, which is important as muscle burns more calories than fat when the body is at rest. It will also help muscle toning, reducing your belly fat and creating a smoother appearance. Last but certainly not the least, cardio. You can lose belly fat by including at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise in your daily routine. It is crucial to make sure the exercise you are doing is something you enjoy, because this will make you look forward to working out and maintain your motivation. You can engage in a variety of cardio exercises, whether you prefer to exercise alone or in a group setting. Walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling are just a few excellent choices. These belly fat burning exercises are the ideal form of exercise to perform while trying to lose weight, because doing so will improve your overall fitness and health. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Leave a comment about your experiences on how you lose weight and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will help you stay on track as you explore our weight management and wellness resources, and of course, learn more about your health. We appreciate you watching, and we are so excited to see you in our next video.